Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior B. Children, this video is for class 6, 7 and 8. And our next topic is tense. I had already explained present tense and past tense in my previous two videos, and this is the third video of tense, and today I'll explain future tense. Clear student? Future tense means what will happen in future, in the coming time. Now the structure for future simple tense is subject plus will oblique shall plus V1 plus object. For example, Aman and Priya will go to school. Clear? And if you have to write the negative of this sentence, you will write subject plus will oblique shall plus not plus V1 plus object. Aman and Priya will not go to school. And interrogative negative if you have to write. Interrogative sentence if you have to write, you will write will oblique shall plus subject plus V1 plus object. For example, will Aman and Priya go to school? Clear student? Future simple tense, is it clear? Now where are simple future tense used? Number one, it is used to express the probable action that will happen in the future. Second, to indicate an action that will happen as habitual action or regular phenomenon. Third is to express the speaker's assumptions about the future. And fourth is when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Fifth use is to offer to do something or to ask something, to do something or to promise to do something. Sixth is to talk about such future actions over which we have no control. Okay? And for future simple, going to is also used. This is also a form of that. Besides using shall and will, we also use what? Going to express simple future tense. The going to form is used to discuss a plan or an intention in the near future. To talk about what seems likely or certain when there is something in the present times which tells us about the future. Third is to express an action which is on the point of happening. Our next is future continuous tense. So the structure for future continuous tense is subject plus will oblique shall plus be, that means will be or shall be plus ing form of the verb plus object. Anshu or Aman and Priya will be going to school. Its negative is subject plus will not be or shall not be plus V4 plus object. Aman and Priya will not be going to school. And if you have to make the interrogative of this, you write will oblique shall plus subject plus be plus V4 plus object. Will Aman and Priya be going to school? Now uses of future continuous tense to express a continuous action in future at the given moment. Second, to indicate an action that has been planned or is certain to happen in future. Clear? Now our next is present future perfect tense. Okay? And the structure for future perfect tense is subject plus will have or shall have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. For example, Aman and Priya will have gone to school. And if you have to make the negative of that, you'll write not in that. For example, subject plus will not have or shall not have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Aman and Priya will not have gone to school. And if you have to make question, you'll write will oblique shall plus subject plus have plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Will Aman and Priya have gone to school? Now future perfect tense is used to indicate an action that will have been completed in future before the given time. A time expression begins with by is generally used with this tense. By that time, by next week, by next month, by then, by the 10th of month. Clear? And next is what? Future perfect continuous tense. And what is the structure of future perfect continuous tense? Positive, subject plus will have been plus shall have been plus V4 and plus object. Aman and Priya will have been going to school for 4 years. You have to mention the time here. Okay, for and since is used in this sentence. Subject plus will not have been oblique shall not have been plus V4 plus object. Aman and Priya will not have been going to school for 4 years. Will Aman or will oblique shall plus subject plus have been plus V4 plus object. Will Aman and Priya have been going to school for 4 years. The future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which will begin before a definite moment in future, with which continue up to that moment and will be in progress even at that moment. Clear, students? Now, in order to understand tenses, you should first remember the structure for that. I have told you the structure. You will remember that. In the next video, I will again summarize all the 3 types of sentence: present, past and future. Clear? Now you read this yourself and try to understand it. Next, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.